Welcome to Recreation SolidWorks CADCam Practice 34. Today we are going to create 3D model random part 18. So when we look at this picture, this is the 3D model detail drawing of our design today. So when we analyze the 3D model over here, we can simply create the 3D model random part 18 using two simple methods. First one is we are going to create this front view design, and then lastly we are going to cut this design to complete the sketch. Within two sketch and two features, we are going to complete this design. So let's start with our sketch. So today I'm going to use front plane, and then using the line command I'm going to start my sketch like this. And yes, so we almost complete the sketch same as this design. Okay, once we complete this one, I'm going to give dimension to this. This one is 40. The length of this is 70. Here 30. And the length of this one is 20. Okay. And then we know that this one is 20 as well. And from here to here 10. Alright. So you can see that our sketch is fully defined and ready to add feature. So I'm going to use Extrude both feature, and then I'm going to use mid plane. So the total extrude length is 40. And yes, we already created the line. Now we are going to cut at this center. For that, I'm going to use this face and create new sketch. Before I start my sketch, I'm going to create a center line from here to here. And then using a corner rectangle, I'm going to select this edge to start my sketch until over here. And I'm going to make sure that this line and this line are symmetric to the center line. And we know that the 20, the distance and the height is 10. Alright, we fully defined our sketch. Exit sketch, cut extrude, and then we are going to use up to next command. And okay, so within two simple features and two simple sketch, we already complete our 3D model random part 18. So don't forget to share and like this video and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you.